So this video is about how to make a chiishi. So you start by getting some clamps and some sort of dowel. In this case, it's actually a mop handle, but it has a nice hardwood feel to it and feels good. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to cut it into 24-inch length long sections. Next, I'm using 3-inch deck screws, and I'm going to drill pilot holes in the ends at 90-degree angles, slightly offset so that the screws don't intersect with each other, and this will serve to anchor the dowel in the concrete. The holes don't have to be exactly at 90 degrees or at any particular offset, just so that they're not intersecting. You can see here, I think I offset them about 1/8 of an inch or 1/4 of an inch. Okay, now I'm going to mix up some concrete. This is kind of like an experiment. I'm going to try and get some lighter weight chiishi this time. So I'm going to try for like a total of 4 or 5 pounds each for the ones I make today, but I don't have my scale, so I'm going to have to guess. Anyway, it's pretty easy. Okay, so the concrete is mixed, and I'm going to put the dowels into the mix and make sure that the handles line up vertically. Getting the dowels to be vertical is made a lot easier if you happen to have one of these things, which I thought I'd never use again, but you know, you can never have too many tools. So that's what I'm using. Okay, and that's it. Now we just wait for it to set.